FTX is crashing and people are losing all of their savings, and FTT is an all-time low, and Binance is stepping in and it will win all the crypto of everyone. So here is what happened and how can we learn from this as a traders. FTX and Binance are the two biggest crypto exchanges in the whole world right now. So one of them is FTX and it's run by someone named Sam Bankman. It has spent millions of dollars to make a crypto-friendly regulation. Binance, on the next hand, is run by the millionaire CZ. So why FTX run into a trouble? So FTX own a native cryptocurrency called FTT, which traders use for operations like paying transaction fees inside the exchange itself. Last year, CZ sold his stake in FTX back to Mr. Bankman, who paid for it partially with FTT coins. On November 2nd, the cryptocurrency publication CoinDesk reported a leaked document that appeared to show that Alameda Research, a hedge fund run by Mr. Bankman, held an unusually large amount of TT tokens, despite the fact that FTX and Alameda are meant to be separate businesses. But the report claimed that they have a close financial ties. Binance announced on November 6 it would sell its FTT tokens due to recent revelations. In response, FTT price crashed and traders rushed to pull out of FTX, fearful that it would be yet another falling cryptocurrency company. FTX scrambled to process requests for withdrawals, which amounted to an estimate of 6 billion over 3 days. It seemed to enter a liquidity crunch, meaning it lacked the money to fulfill requests. So what did Binance do? On Tuesday, Binance said it had reached to agreement to bail out FTX by buying the company, but CZ said that Binance had the discretion to pull out of the deal at any time they want. So in one hand, we have CZ, the owner of Binance, spreading rumors about FTX, and FTX coins that are named FTT are crashing. People are selling everything and they want to get out of the deal. FTX now unable to process all the money that are being taken out, and CZ stepping in another time saying he's the good guy, he wants to buy the company. And this is actually quite interesting. This strategy in the business world is called Shark Tank movement, that one company is eating another one. So what actually can we learn from this? I'm not gonna say that crypto is a scam. I own some crypto myself, but my idea is that crypto is not very regulated yet. So just please don't take all of your money and put it in crypto. I'm seeing people selling their cars and their houses, even taking loans to buy crypto. So we can learn from this that even a large companies like FTX could crash and go to zero at any time. I own some FTTs myself, so I'm currently getting out of all what I have and putting all of my money back into Binance, knowing that crypto is only 13% of my portfolio. Just don't put all of your eggs in one basket, please. So this is a quick video for today. I hope your money is safe and good, and see you in another day.